my lovely and beautiful souls, and welcome back to Shifting Energy. In today's video, we are going to talk about a really ancient practice, a really ancient Hawaiian practice, which is known as Ho'oponopono. The reason why I want to talk about this is because I think this is really powerful mantra. People have been using this for years and years and were able to release negative energy, release blockages, instantly shifting their vibrations. And I have tried it. I know that it works as long as you do it with intention. So this mantra is based on the concept that no matter what happens in our outside reality, what actually matters is how we respond to it. So the emotions that we have as a consequence, as a response to that particular event. So of course we can't really control what is happening outside us, but what we can control is our response to that event, is our emotion. So the Ho'oponopono practice consists of 4 phrases, and it doesn't really matter the order in which you say them. I think it's always good and useful to kind of come up with your own order, the order that makes most sense to you, the order that you resonate with the most. So these 4 sentences are: I love you, please forgive me, I'm sorry, and thank you. So you can see how these simple phrases can be really powerful and healing for your body and for your mind. They are going to shift your energy. They're going to shift your vibration from a vibration of maybe anger, resentment, fear, to a vibration of love, gratitude, and compassion. You're sending the energy of those sentences to the universe, God, whoever you want to call it, and also to your own energy. When I do this practice, I like to think both about the universe, God, the primary source, and I like to think about my soul as well. So I'm sending the universe and I'm sending my own soul vibrations of love, compassion, and forgiveness and gratitude. So I think this practice can be really powerful. I think it's something really easy to do. You don't need to say these phrases out loud. You don't have to repeat them for 100 times. Even 1 time I think is enough for you to be able to make that shift of energy, that shift of vibration. And I've noticed that when I do this, I can see amazing things happening in my life, because of course if you put yourself in that vibration of love and positivity, of gratitude, your vibration is going to resonate with everything that is based on love and gratitude. So you're gonna get amazing things in your life if you shift your vibration, if you shift your energy. I do think that it's really important to say these 4 sentences with intention so that they can have a powerful meaning for you. So I like to say thank you for everything that you've done for me. I'm sorry, I take responsibility for all my actions. Please forgive me for all the bad actions that I might have taken or the negative things I might have done. And I love you. I love you unconditionally. I feel a lot more connected just by saying it once. I think it's something really powerful and healing, so please do try it. I really think it will be a life changer for you, because it was for me. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and share with people and friends that you think might benefit from this video. And I'll see you next Saturday.